This little medicine lock box, the Overdose Kits Wall Fridge Med Safe, acts like a watchful guardian. It keeps important medicines safe. You get a keypad combination lock. This means only you can open it. It is perfect for insulin. It is great for prescription medications. And it holds other medical supplies too. Imagine it as a tiny fortress. It protects your valuable health tools. Plus, it can be mounted. You can put it on the wall, or you can attach it to your fridge. Therefore, it fits anywhere easily. This Overdose Kits Wall Fridge Med Safe brings real peace of mind. Furthermore, this box is very easy to use. Setting the combination is simple. You won't struggle with complex instructions. So, it is ready to use quickly. It secures strong pain relievers. It also protects sensitive medications. Kids stay safe. Pets stay safe too. Moreover, the design is smart. It blends into your home. It does not look out of place. Consequently, it is a practical addition. It is a silent protector. The sturdy build feels reliable. It promises long-lasting security. Indeed, it is a small investment. Yet, it offers huge returns. It offers peace of mind. Ultimately, the Overdose Kits Wall Fridge Med Safe is a necessity. It is not just a box. It is a commitment to safety. It is a shield against accidents. Besides, it helps organize medicines. No more messy drawers. No more misplaced prescriptions. Instead, everything has its place. It is always secure, and it is always accessible. So, if you need secure storage, look no further. This lockbox is the answer. It is a truly worthwhile purchase. It helps keep your loved ones safe. Pros: fits all prescription bottles, accommodates insulin vials, easy to use keypad lock. Programmable 4-digit code, provides fast access, sturdy steel construction, offers long-lasting durability, can be wall-mounted, fits in vanity drawers, suitable for countertops, secure for insulin storage, ideal for temperature-sensitive meds. Cons: no cooling component, doesn't keep medicine cold, could be more affordable, similar safes cost less, lacks cooling features. Keypad combination lock, wall mountable, fridge safe storage, small size, secure medicine storage, includes keys, for insulin, for prescriptions, for medical supplies, durable construction. This small medicine lockbox helps you keep your important medicines safe. It has a keypad combination lock, so only you can open it. You can mount it on a wall or keep it in the fridge for things like insulin. It's built strong and is great for prescriptions and other medical supplies. It also comes with keys as a backup. This small medicine lockbox is a secure place to keep your medications, like insulin and prescription bottles, safe from misuse. It has a simple 4-digit keypad combination lock that lets you get to your medicine quickly. Made of strong steel, it's built to last and can be placed on a wall, in a drawer, or on a counter. While it's great for keeping medicines secure, it does not keep them cool, and some similar safes might be cheaper.